Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Have you ever watched a food commercial on TV and it looks so good and you haven't had that food in a while? And so the thought lingers with you. It's in the back of your mind for like a few days and you get a craving and you just have to have it. Well, that happened to me with ribs. Haven't had ribs in a while. And so I'm going to whip up some ribs today and wait till you see the cool sauce I came up with. The first thing I did was I poached 1.5 full slabs of pork loin ribs in the oven. And I poured a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar on there, and then a 1/2 cup of white wine. Covered it with heavy foil. Put it in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour. While my grill is warming up, I'm going to make this wonderful apple butter barbecue sauce. So I have 1.5 cups of apple butter. I'm going to stir in a 1/2 cup of ketchup, and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Stir that all up. Let that warm up. It's a very simple sauce, but it's just kind of unique because of the apple butter. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pepper. And that is all you need for these ribs. So I'm going to turn the heat down on low and just let that simmer away a little bit. My grill is hot. So I'm going to put these poached ribs in. Put some of that apple butter sauce on the top. And rush it all over. Now I want to flip them to put a little seared coat of that apple butter sauce on top. We'll add more on the bottom. Spread that around. And get the sides too. And since the ribs are already cooked, it's not like you have to spend a lot of time cooking them. I just want to sear the sauce on both sides. for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to finish them off with another coat of this apple butter sauce. I'm going to flip these. I'm going to put a final coat on them. Brush it all over. Yeah, the idea is you just want to flip these a few times. I'll flip them once more. Let that cook for about 5 minutes, just so there's a little bit of black on there. That's what I like. These are ready to roll. Apple butter ribs. I love it. The 2 teaspoons of pepper were very important. The Worcestershire sauce kind of balanced everything out. I feel like I could be part of a TV commercial right now. Buy Robin Bensley's apple butter ribs on sale.